Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and we are introducing something new to you guys, a new channel, a new series, and a new affiliate. So the latest affiliate is Scent Split. Scent, like the fragrance, and Split. And what we're doing is a unboxing and a first spray of a new fragrance by Tiziana Terenzi, and it's titled Cabiria. Now, by using my link that is attached to this video and all future videos, you are able to help out the channel. You're able to take a bottle that you would love to try, a bottle that you don't want to pay full price for to get a whole bottle, and you're able to break it up into smaller bottles, thus getting more fragrances and being able to feel good, look good, and of course smell good. So today we are unboxing Tiziana Terenzi. It is the biggest, look at this, it's the biggest box of cologne I have ever felt. Now, you guys who don't know me, I am blind, and on this channel we help individuals find or create work that is meaningful, purposeful, and profitable. So here you got the logo. You can see it. I'm going to open it up. I think I'm going to open it up. I don't know how you open it up. Man, this is a thing. It definitely smells good. Oh, you just pull it like that, and then I don't want to break it. Oh wow, it just kind of unfolds. Water! Man, that's some pretty nice packaging. So that's the bottle. You can see it light up. I'm not going to be putting this on my nightstand. It's going to take up so much room. But that's the packaging of Tiziana Terenzi Cabiria. And so we're going to take off the top. There we go. Let's take out the bottle. Now, the reason why I got this particular fragrance, it's a 3.7 ounce bottle, and purchased it, is I wanted something fresh, something clean, something summery, something different than your standard fresh scent fragrances. And when I went to Neiman Marcus and I started smelling different fragrances, this one blew my mind. It was like, that's the one. That's it. That's my new fragrance. And so what I'm going to do is give you the first spray. Now, one thing we don't want to do as a blind person is spray the wrong way. Oh yeah, that's the one. That is the fresh scent for me. So the box is very unique. You can see as you open it up, it lights up, folds up like a transformer. But you're not paying for the box. Trust me, this fragrance really does command the attention, especially for what you get. So I'm going to wear it for a week. I'm going to see how my body reacts to it. I'm going to see how everyone out there reacts to it, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you a full review of Tiziana Terenzi Cabiria. So remember, guys, Scent Split. If you want to get fragrances like this and you don't want to pay full price for a full bottle, split it up. Get more bottles for your money. Check out the link below, and again, it doesn't cost you anything more, and it definitely helps out the channel. So as usual, smell good, feel good, look good. Not necessarily in that order, but let's change the world, and let's change the world together. This is Vashawn signing off for the Debonair Man.